Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit union statements on Navy Federal. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Navy Federal credit union statements, start by logging into your Navy Federal account. Open your preferred web browser and proceed to the Navy Federal homepage. Enter your username and password in the login fields. Click the login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the screen. Select the account for which you want to back up statements. In the Account Details section, look for the Statements link or button. Click on the Statements option to view your available documents. You will see a list of your previous statements organized by date. Choose the statement you wish to back up by clicking on it. The statement will open in a new window or tab. To download your statement, locate the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click on the download icon to save the statement to your device. Select the desired location on your device for the file, then click Save. Repeat this process for any additional statements you would like to. Once you have finished downloading all necessary statements, close the tabs. Make sure to organize your downloaded statements in a specific folder for easy access in the future. Your Navy Federal Credit Union statements are now backed up securely on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.